Now, more than ever, consumers are looking for ways to be more environmentally conscious. Studies show that consumers buying clothing report that product journey transparency is important to them, and increasingly, many opt to purchase secondhand or repair rather than buy new. Packaging is one of the primary factors consumers consider when evaluating a product's sustainability credentials. What if we could make advancing sustainability, circularity, and transparency possible? At Avery Dennison, we deliver innovations that help reduce environmental impact. Whether it's our next-generation AD Clean Flake technology that advances recyclability for PET rigid plastic packaging, our digital ID solutions and connected product cloud Atma IO that tracks an item's life cycle to increase supply chain visibility, security, and circularity, our AD Circular program that collects and enables recycling of used liners, or our support to help businesses meet the latest sustainability legislation. We're advancing sustainability through innovation and collaboration to make circularity and transparency possible. Together, we connect the physical and digital to solve some of the world's most complex challenges.